Tomorrow, actually. We're picking up points every night, and that's what you need to do if you want to climb the standings. And, obviously, we wanted 2 tonight. Didn't happen. We got to respond and go after 2 tomorrow against a team we're still chasing in our division. And we got to recover, regroup tonight, and be ready to go tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Eric, that 3-on-3 hockey is pretty exciting. What's it like to be out there, and how hectic is it?
Well, you want the puck. You want the puck first. If you don't have it, it's tough. You know, if you have it, you got to try and control it as best you can. And you saw some tired players at times, and it can end up going up and down the ice a bunch. It's a lot of fun. You want to win those when you get the chances, but unfortunately, they weren't able to tonight.
Eric, what were your just overall impressions from that game?
Well, we started on time. We were ready to go. We played a pretty good first period. We had some real good chances to get us up one, and it didn't happen. And the second, they pushed back a little bit more, and then the third was just tight both ways. Obviously, a huge goal by Nesty to get us to 1-1, and then a lot of looks both ways, 3-on-3 up and down the ice, and just unfortunately couldn't get one there in the shootout for Cam to get us there.
You said a big goal for Andre Nestor. Why has that line been so effective and so consistent for this team as of late?
Well, they're skating and they're controlling pucks. I think each one of them brings something different to their line. Obviously, Jordo's playing like a horse. He's skating really well and really controlling the play. You know, they had a tough matchup tonight, but I thought they skated real well, and they're being counted on in important times, and then they all have some skill and can make some plays. Nesty, you know, has that ability, and showed it with a big goal there.
Another 4-point game on the line tomorrow night. What needs to be carried over from this game into tomorrow night's game?
Well, the start that we had tonight, we want to make sure we come with that tomorrow. Obviously, we want to put one on the board, but we got to be competitive right off the bat. And obviously, another team we're trying to climb and catch, so we got to get points, and hopefully it's 2.